everything was new. I remember going to pick my bedroom. Yeah, I know you said you wanted a little bit more land, so I wanted to drive you up here to give you a feel of what that would be like. I don't necessarily need neighbors like right next door. It's just not a, it's something that I didn't grow up with. I grew up, my neighbors were a mile away. So
Labas na.